At the beginning of March, I moved to London for a change of pace, and maybe even with the hopes of changing the way I keep my space. Old habits certainly die hard, don't they? Hey, how y'all doing? My name is Jennifer, and I'm a messy person. Yeah. But you have to admit, it's really not that bad right now. I moved to London like 3-4 months ago, and this is the messiest it's ever been. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know how bad it can get. You have to admit this is really not that bad. Am I gaslighting myself? Actually, no, I'm not. This is objectively the cleanest version of the messiest that it could be. Anyway, when I used to live alone, it got so bad because I was the only one in my own space, and like nobody else would have to see it except for you guys, but this is a safe space, right? But now I have a roommate, and when I live with people, I will not keep the common area messy because that's just a big no-no. Like my room can be filthy, it can be disgusting, like I can have clothes everywhere, but that's my own space. Like I'm the one who has to live in my own filth, and personally, I just don't see filth when it's in my own space. But when there's people around, I'm like, whoa, I'm being perceived. My room is a reflection of what's in my head, but my common area is a reflection of who I want to be perceived as. So it's actually been nice to live with someone. But we just had like a massive cooking day last night, just had lunch, so I reheated stuff. I've been falling asleep on the couch. Also, I'm doing a deep clean because my sister and her husband are visiting London, so I have to get the place sparkling clean. Can't have them knowing the state that I've been living in. Have to make them think that I'm a real adult. So let's get started. As always, I'm starting with the couch area. I'm not obsessed with the color of the couch. Obviously, I didn't furnish everything, so it came furnished. But this is my first foray into a non-white couch and non-fabric couch, and I kind of like that this is super easy to clean because if you like spill water on it, it's like ain't no thing. Like you can just wipe it off. Maybe my white couch days are coming to an end. I said that out loud to like test myself, but then I felt like a pang in my chest, and I was like, yeah, that's not gonna happen. I think once I can buy my own furniture again, I'm going back to a white couch. I just love it too much. I also think that the yellow and purple cushions are a little bit crazy. I think the yellow especially is a little bit crazy. So we don't really use these. I usually try to hide them. This goes, oh. So I went to the flower market the other day in London, and it was so cute. It was a sunny day. I bought myself some discounted flowers because we went pretty late. They're so pretty, and I haven't gotten a chance to put them in water yet, so I'm gonna do, look how, under the Happy How lamp. Girl, it's about to hit so hard. I used to have other flowers in here, so I'm gonna change out this water. I grew up not really being a flower girl, but I really do like the look of fresh flowers now. So pretty. Let me remove the custard creams. It's not looking amazing in here, but it's also not that bad, right? Like, be so FFR right now. I'm actually just using this video for validation so that you guys can tell me that it's not as bad as I think it is. Every kitchen looks like this after cooking. The fact that I have been cooking is already a miracle. The reason why I've started cooking is because, listen, when I lived in Vancouver, I was ordering Uber Eats like I had unlimited Monopoly money in the bank. It was definitely kind of expensive, but here, if I were to order out every single meal, I would be flat out broke. Like, it's not okay. The prices of food here, it's insane. So I've actually been cooking to try to save money, and you know what? I've been steadily improving. It's not amazing. It's not amazing. But compared to British food, you know what? I'll take it. Anyway, yeah, where do I start? Where do I start? Oh, so oily. am sick.
Boo, you whore.
You know what? It has been a couple days, but I get a pass, okay? I've been bedridden, I'm coughing, but I will say things are in a state of disarray yet again. It's actually sunny outside, so I really wish I could be outside and doing things, but I can't walk like more than 50 meters. I've been watching Bridgerton all day. I've been scrolling reels. It's not good for the mental. Because I'm incapable of letting myself rest, I'm going to clean and film a video. So you've already seen me clean the kitchen, so let's turbo mode this shit. Get you anything? Dirty clothes on the ground, dust on the table, general filth. We're gonna fix that today. Again, it's not amazing, but it's not that bad. My overarching problem has always been clothing, and that's what's going on here. Dirty clothing, clean clothing, just so much clothing all over the place. It's beginning to get to the point where I can't really tell what's dirty and what's clean, but I can just about tell, which is, if I get past that, it's the point of no return, but right now we're good. I also need to do my sheets because we're currently transitioning from like the colder months to the warmer months in London. Thank the Sky Daddy so much, because I'm starting to enjoy London more now that it's sunny and I can actually go outside. So I need to switch my bed sheets from the winter mode to summer mode, some thinner sheets, because I've been sweating lately. But let me just fold up these clothes. Oh, it's raining. Just as I was like, oh, weather's starting to get better. Is it hailing? I will say, weather in Vancouver is pretty dreadful, but London might be even worse. I didn't really think that was possible. Here we are. But there's a certain likability to it. And now it's super sunny. Welcome to London. This is crazy and so bipolar. Bro, why is this so hard for me? Oh look, it's almost as if running away to a different country doesn't solve all your problems. I'm still a messy ass bitch. The state of my room is bad, is real bad. It's actually been a couple weeks since I last filmed because I get bored during cleaning, so then I like abandon ship. And in order to clean multiple rooms, I have to be like super focused for like a whole day, and I just can't seem to do that. So I'm revisiting my room now, and I think I'm ready to have a clean space. You know what? It is true. I feel like when your life is chaotic, your brain is chaotic, your room is chaotic, and I feel like I'm in a very chaotic space in my head right now, but let's clean and talk. I have so many clothes. I think this is still the main issue in my room, is just clothing. I have clean laundry, I have dirty laundry, but I keep the clean laundry in my hamper because I don't hang it up and I don't put it away, so then I don't have any places to put my old laundry. Like, I should have just gotten 2 laundry hampers, but I'm gonna be leaving in a couple months. I'm like, is it even worth it to get a new laundry hamper? It probably would be worth it, but I'm like, is it? I have issues. So anyway, I have to unpack my suitcase from my trip to New York that I just took. My life has just been very chaotic lately. Like, I'm all over the place. Like, I'm having a lot of fun in my personal life, but like work-wise, I'm like, I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. I have a lot of goals and ambitions, but I'm like, I kind of just need to like sit down and organize my thoughts. But I'm now realizing I'm kind of having my study abroad year, because I never did that in university. So I'm kind of just, you know, exploring the world, having fun. And I started off this whole journey being like, oh, I'm feeling kind of lost, but I'm trying to find myself. And I'm kind of, you know, accepting the fact that my 20s is going to feel chaotic. But I'm now kind of transitioning into wanting to have a little more stability in my life because this is getting too crazy. I just want to know things. That would be nice. I think my life is a little chaotic because I'm trying a lot of new things. British food, British tourist things, British boy. Who said that? It's very new. I don't know. But I'm vibing, and that's all you need to know. The junk account knows a little bit more. If you guys follow me on my Instagram junk account. No, this is what I need. This is what I need. Sleeping well and staying healthy. I hope all of you guys are sleeping well and staying healthy. Can I say that is true for me? I think you can tell by the state of my room. But I just hope that you know that if you are feeling chaotic, you're not alone. Ugh. Are these clean or not clean? I'm just gonna assume that they're all dirty. Oh wait, you know what I should have done? I'm gonna put away my clean clothes first so I have a place to put my dirty clothes. That's what I should have done. I've been told that my British accent is quite annoying, so I'm gonna keep it to a minimum. But you know what, like, I just think it's fun, and why not? Like, right, turn off the lights. We're gonna lose our minds tonight. That was giving a little bit Aussie. I'm trying, guys. Like, what's the dealio? I like when it's all too much. 5 a.m. turn the radio up. I won't be alone. Whoa. I want to be alone. I want to be alone. Oh my god, you know how I believe that I can't lose anything? Yeah. I think my theory is still reigning true because yesterday I put my necklace in my pocket to like put on the train, and then I forgot about it, and then today I was like, oh shoot, I never put on my necklace, and I went to check my pockets and it was gone, and I was like, well shit, like I must have lost it in London somewhere. And then today boy texted me and he was like I found this, and it was the necklace. Oh my god. And then I was like, oh my god, my theory is still true, because the last time I also lost that same necklace in Europe, and I also put it in my pocket and lost it in the city, and I was like, well, I guess it's gone forever. And then Ricky and Sabrina found it. Oh really? Yeah, so that's crazy. I think I just can't lose anything. I think you're just incapable. I think this is my like actual power. Everything that is meant for me will come to me. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, that's on me espresso. Lay, cause I'm missing. Whoa, why do I have so many coins? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that even better? I can't. It's fine. Oh, my socks are wet. Okay, doing this fully clothed was a bad idea, but it's so much cleaner now. Is it? The water in the UK is so hard. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like limescale everywhere. But that's all the effort I'm willing to put in. finished cleaning finally. It feels so nice to live in an apartment that's fresh and clean and oh look, I'm a big fat liar. It looks as if my room is messy again. It's about like 3 weeks later. Girl, I just can't seem to clean all at one time. Like I need to split it up into multiple different cleaning sessions. But I think the positive is that I clean at a higher frequency, way higher frequency than before. You know, even though I do get messy, I think I clean it up faster and I don't feel in a state of mental disarray all the time. I think I'm like more self-aware now where I'm like, okay, this is a problem, let me do something about it, rather than just letting it marinate and get worse and worse and worse over time. I think it also helps that I'm like out in London doing things, meeting new people, doing fun things, investing more in my personal life and mental health, where I think that my space definitely is a reflection of like how I'm doing in life. So yeah, actually, I don't know why I said that because my room is currently messy again, but I feel pretty good. Well, do I? Things to think about. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning my room for the 1000th time. I hope it's still as fun as the first time. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!